Hello everyone. Today Akshata is going to give a speech. Can people save nature using technology or destroy it? Technology is the study and transformation of techniques, tools and machines created by humans. The Industrial Revolution brought new technologies that would benefit people lives in so many ways. Unfortunately, at the same time, the technology creates man-made environmental harm. Firstly, I would like to tell you how technology can save nature. First of all, by saving energy. Technology is changing almost faster than we can keep it. It is helping us live greener and live better. Technology let us know of an energy wasting problem and allows us to fix that problem and save energy. Number second, by conserving resources. Technology helps us to conserve resources as smarter sprinkler system helps us to regulate how much water we are consuming by adjusting according to the weather, optimizing not only our water bill but also the impact on community water supply. In the same technology help us to eliminating waste and making us smarter, healthier and saving endangered wildlife, etc. Apart from this, the technology is also destroying our nature. So let's see how. Number 1, by pollution. Technology helps in growth of industrialization. The industry produce harmful gases. Since there are more industries now, there is a lot more smoke. Industries also dispose of harmful product in water bodies such as sea, ocean, river, etc. And there is a lot of water pollution. Number 2, by deforestation. To get more room for farming, industrialization, etc., humans have been cutting down forests. This is leading to global warming. It leads into depletion of ozone layer also. So the technology destroy the nature also. It leads to destruction of habitats of wildlife, etc. So it is very easy to say that technology not only brighter the nature but also shading the path of the nature. In the end, I stop my tongue on a quote that nature provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. Thank you and happy World Environment Day.